Hi friends, happy Valentine's Day. I hope that you're all having a really wonderful day. Thanks so much for stopping by my video. I'm going to make a really special Valentine's protein shake. It's going to be nice and pink and festive and super healthy, great for post-workout or maybe a midday snack if you like smoothies midday. So this is really simple. I have frozen strawberries. I have sugar-free cheesecake jello mix, so it's gonna give this an awesome cheesecake flavor. I have my vanilla protein and almond milk, and so I'm gonna make this in my NutriBullet. You can use a blender if you'd like, but it's really simple. So I'm gonna get it all going. I just have my NutriBullet cup, and I'm going to add in 1 cup of almond milk. And I love this silicone measuring cup. It's awesome for liquids. So it's really great. I love anything by the XOXO brand. So I'm gonna pour that in, 1 cup. All right, I have my protein powder. I'm gonna do 1 scoop of protein powder. You can use any kind of protein powder you'd like. I've been using this one lately. It's vanilla bean, which I love. And it's organic, plant-based. It's really good. I get it on Amazon, so I'll put a link to this in the description box if you want to try out a new vanilla protein. And then this this has so much flavor, you guys. But I'm gonna use a tablespoon of this Jello, sugar-free, so it's awesome. Little instant Jello mix. There we go. And I'm gonna add in my strawberries. You can use fresh strawberries if you'd like. If you're going to use fresh strawberries, I would add in some ice to give this a little bit of a thicker smoothie type consistency. Load it up with strawberries. Put my lid on. Right. Give it a little blend. All right, I'm gonna add this into my glass, and it is so good, so festive for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna, what is that? Cheers, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Hope you have a great one. I'll see you guys next time. This is delicious.